On this video, we're going to take a look at the Checkmate pump. We have a number of different models, but they all function the same way. What we've got going on, this is kind of referred to as a shovel pump, because as this pump is running, we have the shovel that actually comes outside of the material, outside of the pump, and grabs material and pulls it up into the pump. So as it's doing that, this chamber piece of it here really holds about 20% more material than the pump can hold itself. So on that upstroke, as that shovel enters that area, we're force feeding that material up through the inlet valve, up into the chamber of the pump. So that gives us a full load of material inside the pump. Now, as we do that then, we're going to change direction of the pump, and the motor's going to push that pump back down. It's going to close our inlet valve off. So the valve's closed, now the material's trapped. And the displacement rod is going to take up half the space in there. So now we've had that volume of material, and we're displacing half of it by sticking the rod inside. So as we do that, material is going to come up, flow through that hose out to your dispense valve. Then on the next upstroke, as she comes up, it pulls that second half of the material out and displaces that, or dispenses that. So we're stroking back and forth that way. So a little closer view, we've got the rod and things moving at this point. So again, inlet valves open, material's coming in, filling that chamber. Reach the top of the stroke, pump starts coming down. Now at that point, this piston valve opens. So you'll be able to see the fluid flowing past the piston valve. Right? Inlet valve is closed, piston valve's open. We're pushing down, displacing material up, out through the hose and gun, and dispenses it. That's the workings of the Checkmate pump.